Today we are going to learn how to add a new tab to the main tabs. So if you open Excel like this, these are the main tabs. So you have the file type, you have the home, insert, page layout, formulas, review, view. So these are the main tabs. So if you want to add a new tab to the main tab that you have here, click on File, then you go to Options. So under the general options here, you click on Customize Ribbon. Then you come here, the main tab. So these are the main tab that we saw. So if you want to add a new tab, you just click on New Tab. So you click on this. Then you will see here the new tab here. Then you click on OK. So you come here, you see the new tab. If you want to rename it, then you go back to the File tab. You go to Options. Then you click on Customize Ribbon. So when you come here, this is the new tab that we added. So you select it. Then you click on Rename. So I want to name my new tab Appear. Then I'll click on OK. Then I'll click on OK. So when you come here, a new tab is now added to the main tab that you already have. Thank you very much.